Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to update software version for the headphone Skullcandy Grind. To update a software version, you should just open the application and you have only one option. If you have update, you will only one options is to install this update. So click continue. Oh, you haven't options to close it, yeah? So just click continue, start, and just waiting. Then click OK, and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!